Alright, so here we're talking about Wamp server download and installation. Alright, but there are some tips here. The first one here says, in order to download and install Wamp server on your computer, check your Windows edition and the bit of your computer operating system. What this point simply means is that for you to download and install Wamp on your computer, there are two things you need to check. The first is your Windows edition. The second is the bit of your computer operating system. How do you check for this? You go to your file explorer here, you click on your file explorer, you hover your mouse to where you have this PC, right? Then you right click, you click on properties, right? You're going to open your device specification. You scroll down under this system type, you're going to see the bits of your operating system. So right here I'm running a 64-bit operating system, right? Then when you scroll down further under Windows specification, you're going to see the edition of your Windows. All right, so right here I'm running Windows 10 edition in my computer. So what this point is trying to say is that you should always download the right Wamp server for your computer specification. Then the next point here says go to your browser and type google.com. Then in the Google search box, type Wamp server download for your operating system. So in my case here, I'm going to type in the Google search box Wamp server download for Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Alright, then click on the search and then click on the link that carries your search word. Alright, so let's see the practical aspects of this. Go to our browser here, right here. Then in the search bar here, I will type in Wamp server download for Windows 10 64 bits. All right, and I'll hit the search. All right, so right here I'm going to scroll down to see the one that suits my system specification. Right here you can see this is Wamp server 64 bits. All right, Wamp server 64 bits for Windows 10. So I'm going to click on this. Now it's going to take me to this place. I'm going to click on the download here. Right, you can see your download will begin in a moment if it doesn't restart the download. All right, you can see the download is automated. All right, so I'm going to cancel this because I have downloaded this before. But in your own case, wait for the download process. All right, after downloading, you move to the installation process. Now we move to Wamp server installation. All right, so after downloading your Wamp server, the next thing is to locate your downloaded Wamp server. Anytime you download files from your browser, it is always located inside your downloads. All right, for you to locate your downloads, you go to your file explorer, you open your file explorer, you go to where you have your downloads, you click on your downloads. All right, now your Wamp server should be located somewhere here, except you have changed the path to your download files. All right, if you didn't change the path, your Wamp server should be somewhere here. But in my case here, I have cut the Wamp server and I have pasted it inside a folder that carries my web project. All right, so in your case here, you can install the Wamp server from your downloads using this method. All right, so when you hover your mouse to the Wamp server, you right click here, you click on run as administrator. All right, you click on yes here. Then right here you select your language. Here I have English. You click on I accept the agreement. You click on next here. Click on next here. Right here is necessary that you check all of these: PHP 7.0, 7.1 and 7.2. You click on next here. Click on next. You click on install here. Now when you get to this place, it's going to ask you Internet Explorer will be used as browser by Wamp server. Right, just click on yes here. Alright, so here you are going to select your browser. So here I'm going to select Explorer. I'll click on open here. Now it's going to ask the text editor that you would love to be using. So I'm going to select notepad.exe. I'll click on yes here. Alright, then I click on open here. Alright, then I click on next here. I click on finish here. Alright, Now you find out that the Wamp server is not running on my tray here. Why? Because I haven't opened the Wamp server. I just installed the Wamp server. So for you to open your Wamp server, it's going to open a shortcut for you here. So I'm going to double click on the shortcut. I'll click on yes here. You can see on the tray here, the color is originally red. From red, it's going to change to orange. Then from orange, it's going to change to green. You can see this is orange and this is green. All right. So the green color here simply means that my Wamp server is running perfectly. All right. So we have successfully installed our Wamp server in our PC. All right. So when you left click on your Wamp server here, it's going to pop up this for you. This is why I said it's very important that you install the right Wamp server for your computer specification. If you install the wrong Wamp server, you might find out that the Wamp server will change its color to green, but this pop-up will not be there. So it's very important that you install the right Wamp server for your system specification. All right. So right here we have additional note. It says here that here is the link to download Wamp server for Windows 10 64-bit. All right. Then here is the link to download Wamp server for Windows 10 32-bit operating system. So if you have trouble downloading your Wamp server using this method that is specified here, you can send me a message and I'll help you through that process. All right. So in the next session, we'll be doing a short introduction to WordPress. So see you at the next section.